How do I start?
How do you get started? Easy. You can subscribe first, right? And you can definitely give us a send us an
Welcome back to the second step on how to become a homeowner.
Hey guys.
Hey John, so what is the second step?
Second step is to get a loan approval.
What is that?
Yeah, what is a loan approval? Good question. Loan approval is if you buy any home and you need finance, you have to get approval from either a private lender or a bank so that they can approve you for a loan.
Yeah, I heard a lot about the private lenders and like the direct big bank. What is the difference between them?
Yeah. You might hear a lot of names out there for big banks, which is Bank of America, US Bank, and also Chase, right? So there's many big banks out there, and there's also many brokers out there. Broker is they will take your application and go shop around with private lenders, see which one has the best rate for you. Those big names out there are Loan Depot, Loan Factory. There's many of them out there. So but depend on which one has the best interest rate for you.
So when it comes to my client, like how do I know which one should I refer them to go to?
I think because big bank usually they have really good rate for jumbo loan, but most of the time it cannot beat a broker on confirming loan. I don't know if you know what's the difference between confirming loan and jumbo loan.
So confirming loan is any loan that lower than 650, and then any loan that above that considered a jumbo one. So how long does it take to get the loan pre-approval, and how long it's gonna last?
Yeah, that's a really good question. If you go with a good lender, they usually can do it within 3 days, right? So within 3 days you can get a loan pre-approval, but there's a difference between loan approval and loan pre-approval and pre-qualification, right? So pre-qualification is like if you call a lender and you give them certain information about your income and everything without checking your credit, they can give you a loan pre-qualification. But pre-approval, they need to check your credit scores and everything. They have to put a soft credit and then also provide you a more detailed report on your loan approval. Yeah, and that can last about 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah, but some of the lenders right now depend on the market. The market is changing very fast, so it can last like 30 days to 3 months, basically. Yeah.
I see. And how do I start?
How do you get started? Easy. You can subscribe first, right? And you can definitely give us a send us an email. We can definitely answer. You can email us right here, and we can answer all the questions and refer you to the right lender for yourself.
That's the guide for the second step.
Thank you. Subscribe. See you soon. Third step.